Lesson number 14, Inside the Kitchen. Can you tell this picture shows puris being made? Puris have to be fried. Wood is being burnt to obtain the heat for frying. Look at the pictures below and give similar information. Can you tell why do we use heat to prepare some food items? Which food items do we eat without cooking? Why is it easier to use gas than firewood for cooking? How do we prepare food items? People prepare a variety of food items according to their liking. They use a variety of ingredients for the purpose, like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables, and fruits, eggs, meat, and fish. Many of our food items are prepared by eating. To cook rice, we add water to the rice and boil it. Puris, pakodas are fried. Oil or ghee is used to fry them. Modaks and idlis are steamed. Chapatis and bhakris are roasted. Foodstuffs become tastier and easier to digest when prepared by eating them. However, not all foodstuffs are prepared by heating. We eat some of them raw, that is, uncooked. We eat fruits mostly without cooking. We also eat vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes raw. A cucumber salad or a banana shake are made without heating. Have you noticed papad may be roasted or it may be fried? Take two papads of the same kind, roast one, fry the other. What is the difference in their taste? Which do you like better? Peanuts may be eaten plain or roasted. What is the difference in their taste? How do you like to eat them, plain or roasted? What is the difference in the taste of a raw potato and a boiled potato? Methods of supplying heat for cooking. We can choose from various fuels to supply the heat needed for cooking. New terms: a combustible substance, a substance that can burn is called a combustible substance. Camphor burns, hence it is a combustible substance. Water does not burn, hence it is not a combustible substance. Fuel, a combustible substance that can be used conveniently for obtaining heat is called a fuel. Cooking gas, kerosene, coal, all are examples of fuel. However, all combustible substances are not used as fuel. Only those which burn easily and give plenty of heat on burning the are called fuels. Nowadays, many people prefer to use cooking gas as fuel. It is easy to use, it lights quickly, it does not give out smoke. Cooking on gas also saves time. Some people use firewood for cooking. Burning wood is a troublesome task. It also makes a lot of smoke. Besides, trees have to be cut for wood, that is harmful for the environment. Some people use a coal burning stove. Shaggy coal also gives out smoke. Those who use fuels like wood or coal that give out smoke must have windows in their kitchen. That way, we get a lot of light and also prevent smoke from collecting in the house. Some people use kerosene stoves for cooking. Nowadays, we also get hot plates for cooking on electricity. They are very convenient to use. Some people use biogas. Some people use the heat from the sun for cooking. They use the solar cooker, a kerosene stove with a burner, a kerosene stove with a wicks, an electric hot plate, some solar cookers. What we have learnt: we cook food by heating. It makes the food tastier and easier to digest. Boiling, steaming, frying, and roasting are some of the different ways of providing heat. Salads and milkshakes are examples of food items that are prepared without heating. There are various kinds of stoves which make it convenient to burn fuel to obtain heat for cooking. Electricity and heat from the sun can also be used to obtain heat for cooking. Always remember, using wood or coal as fuels causes harm to the trees in our environment.